What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is May 5th. Let's get right to the very first article. Yahoo Finance, you know it's reputable, you know it's legit. Many Americans, guys, millions of Americans are about to get 3,600 in new stimulus checks. And the question a lot of people have been asking me, am I one of them, right? Are you actually one of the people who are going to receive $3,600 in fourth stimulus check update? Yahoo Finance, very reputable, very legit. Then we have this article right here, stimulus check update. Is a fourth stimulus check relief payment coming your way? I'm not allowed to play videos on my channel, but if we take a look at right here, CBS, a possible fourth stimulus check remains a popular topic, and it's still a possibility in the next couple of weeks to come. Basically, if you didn't know, by mid-May, maybe May 14th or 15th, we should have more information regarding, Joe Biden's fourth stimulus check package. And if we look right here, does the American Rescue Plan actually budget for another round of fourth direct payments? Biden is pushing for a sweeping change of the American social safety net with the $1.8 trillion investment in American families, including more direct payments. One more time, Biden right here, including more direct payments. So some people are allegedly about to receive a fourth stimulus check. Some people will not. But the question is, who qualifies and who doesn't? Right now, we don't have any really evidence or information. But all we see right here is before the American Rescue Plan, many workers and families in rural communities that were struggling to get by and stay above the poverty line. But actually, some people are allegedly supposed to receive money and some won't, right? But at least one thing you know is $3,600, aka $300 a month for every single child ages 17 or below is actually coming the next week. That is correct. You're allegedly about to receive $300 for every single child in your household ages 17 and below. Very good news. But real quick, I want to pick a winner for my last giveaway, and I want to let you know every single day, daily, I post 1 to 2 videos, and every single video I give away free Amazon gift card, free money giveaway. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, which I do every day in every single video, all you have to do is you must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button, you have to comment the word free. That is it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment the word free. Every single video I do a giveaway, and tomorrow, the next video, I pick a winner. Let's pick a winner from the last video right now live. 164 comments. Let's pick a winner. Let's see. Freedom, Sharon Brown, congratulations. Everyone congratulate Sharon Brown. If you're watching right now, comment congratulations. Sharon, you are the winner. You have 24 hours to email me, averagetuber@yahoo.com. One word, averagetuber@yahoo.com. Congratulations, Sharon, you are the winner. And just like Sharon, if you actually want a chance to be a winner in tomorrow's video, you must hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment the word free. That is it, guys. Let's get back to the article, starting with this one. Basically, how is the economic recovery going? The first quarter of 2021, the U.S. economy grew an annual rate of 6.4%, faster than 4.3%. So the economy is recovering, but the question is, as this article says, many Americans are actually poverty, guys. Are struggling with financial debt, burden, bills, whatever it may be, and they're just trying to, stay above poverty line. People are actually using most, if not all, of their stimulus check money to pay back bills, debt they owe, basically just catch up, right? People want to catch up. People are behind. Comment below if you use some of your stimulus check money to pay off bills, and also comment if you're still behind on your bills or your debt. And then right here, millions of Americans are about to get $3,600, aka $300 per adult, per child, every single child in your household ages 17 or below. I want to let you guys know, allegedly, this should be actually starting next week. So again, check your bank account, check your actual mailboxes. You could actually receive $250 to $300 a month for each qualifying child ages 17 or below. Not only that, but you could actually claim $3,600 in direct stimulus check, aka fourth stimulus check per child. So I just want to let people know. I want to keep you guys updated. I want to keep you guys informed. People ask me every single day, why do I post these videos? 2 reasons. Number one, you guys are adults. You deserve to know 100% what's going on. I don't make stuff up. I don't BS you. I don't manipulate you. I tell you guys 100% real information, what's going on. Every single day there's an update. Not only do I educate you guys and I inform you guys, but every single day I pick a winner. Every single day I give away free Amazon gift cards. You must hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment the word free, and in tomorrow's video, I'll be picking a winner. One more time, guys. Some people are allegedly supposed to receive stimulus checks. Some people are not. I do not have any information. If any other YouTuber claiming they know, they 100% don't. They're lying to you. If anyone claims this is 100% passed, they're lying to you. I literally have a source inside Senate. If they know, then you definitely don't know. Other YouTubers definitely don't know. And if something was passed, or something was literally legally confirmed, don't you think I would tell you? If I don't tell you guys it's 100% BS. It's a lie. It's manipulation. Every single day I keep you guys updated. Every single day I give away free Amazon gift card. And comment below, did you actually use some of your money to pay off bills and in debt. That's pretty much it, guys. Not gonna lie to you, not a lot of information today, but please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this on social media, get the word out there. And one more thing, if you haven't watched my last video, I'll link it at the end. Definitely watch my last video. It's this video right here. A lot of information, a lot more prevalent, a lot more, in detail information in that video. Whereas today, I'm not gonna lie to you, keep it 100% honest, there hasn't been any updates as of today. But again, if you didn't watch my last video, I highly recommend you go watch it. Have a great day, everyone. That's it for today. Peace.